create selection sets in Maya, you select some stuff, you go up here to create sets, set, or quick select set. Give it a name. Okay. Now, to select it, you go up to select, quick select set, and select the thing you created. It also works in object mode for some reason. You can also select them here in the outliner. Selection sets in Max are controlled up here, so we can use them on multiple objects like this. So let me just create a set here, and I say boxes 1 and say boxes 2 and press enter. And now I go here and say boxes 1, boxes 2. There. This is also available when the object is in editable poly. So when editing, we can use them on vert the same way, just as I created them for objects. So vertices 1, enter, faces 1, faces 2. Let's say vertices 2. Okay, now just go here, and because I'm in vertex mode, only my vertices sets appear. And if I change to face mode, then these sets will appear. And that's all about selection sets. There's also this button here which gives you a list of them, and you can manage them with these down here.
To select selection sets in Blender, you don't really call them selection sets, and you can't really select them in anything else than edit mode by default. So let's say we're in edit mode and I just select this part of the mesh. I go here to object properties and add a vertex group. Now this group is set 1, let's say, and I'll select another part, let's say, oops, sorry. So after selection, you have to assign it to your created set. Now I select this part, make a new one, assign it, set to, and so on. If I select faces like this, create assign. If I select edges like this, create assign. And now if I want to select them, I just select them like this. I click on them, press this select button. If you don't click away, it will select everything. And it will select the element in the mode you're in. So if I select this, I'm in face mode, but it selected edge mode because it can't select faces. If I select this, it selected the faces because I had faces, and it will select these two because even if they were verts, they form faces. So you get it. Now, if I wanted to do this in object mode, I can't, but I can make collections. So let's say I have random objects like this, and I want to select only these, make a set of these 3. I go up here to the outliner, what the outliner is, press C, or actually rather press M, new collection, set 1, I don't know, okay. And now I have this group or set, but if I want to select it, I just right click, select objects, and that would be a kind of set. But of course, that's not actually a selection set. So for the exact equivalent of selection sets, you really need to download this add-on from Captain Hansod. Blender versions, selection sets, Blender add-on, SJ selection sets, and so on. Install it, and you'll just have a plus icon here, and every time you press it, you create a selection set in one of these and tabs, and it's pretty self-explanatory from there. Good luck.